Hello, my dear friends. Hope you guys will be alright by the grace of God Almighty. So, now without wasting time, I am coming to the point. In first two parts, you have known the importance of true love and the importance of a true master. Now, in this third part, I shall explain the importance of thoughts. As you know already that there are two kinds of thoughts, positive and negative. Both kind of thoughts show their results. Unfortunately, we think about those matters of life whom we dislike, and in this way we attract negativities towards ourselves. It's a biggest fault. It's a biggest fault against the law of attraction. So, please don't allow any kind of negative thoughts to come into your mind. In the other sense, please don't think what you don't like, what you don't want to have. Don't think about that. Don't think about that. Always think about the things what you want to have, what you like to have. And think big. Think big. Always think big. So, one more point try to understand. When will you start thinking to your goal? Lots of opportunities will come in your hands. Now you choose your favorite path and follow it constantly with a strong belief. Right? In a few days you will begin to notice pleasant changes around you. You will be happy and dream of your destination. Yeah. So, please think and start acting upon all told advices. I have lots of things to tell you more. So, see you again. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. See you soon. Goodbye.